So I'm teaching a course that's called Humanitarian Action in the 21st Century. And it's a course that really tries to cover the main challenges and dilemmas that are being faced by humanitarian action today. And those include forced displacement crisis, the climate crisis, the crisis of criminalization of humanitarian aid and assistance, and then the crisis of access to medicines. There are workshops, there are Q&A sessions, there are also small group environments for people to work in. And so they can really expect to become very immersed in the subjects and to really understanding what it feels like from the ground to be a part of those humanitarian crises. I think this course can be really attended by many different sorts of participants. I can see students who are interested in humanitarian work. Professors here at McGill would be interested. These are issues that they could integrate inside their courses. I think policymakers are an absolute obvious group of people who would be interested. And I think people from many backgrounds, many different countries would be interested. All of these issues are cross-cutting, cross-disciplinary issues that people could get really engaged in. The students really make up a course that is very vibrant, very diverse, and intellectually very challenging and stimulating. McGill University is very well known for its international outlook, and I think McGill has really shown a lot of leadership in wanting to really bring the academic and the practitioner together. McGill is based in Montreal, which is a fantastic city that people love to come to in the summer. There's festivals, and so it's a really nice environment to be studying.